Welcome to our tutorial about the Imprint command, another tool for editing your solids. It's one way to manipulate faces of your solid independently. Let's place a line now. Map to this midpoint and to the midpoint across. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Let's activate the Imprint command. It's on the solid editing panel. First step is to select your 3D solid or surface. I've selected the box. Now we select the object to imprint, the line. Do we want to delete the source object? Let's type Y for yes and press enter. And let's press escape to exit the tool. Basically, what we've done here is cut only the top face. Now, since they're two separate faces, we're able to manipulate each face independently. Let's activate the polyline command. Something like this. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Let's activate the Imprint tool again. Select the solid. Now the object to imprint, our polyline. Delete the source object, yes, and enter to execute. And essentially, we've created a new face on the top face. This concludes our tutorial about the Imprint command.